Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss how to treat minor burns naturally. Minor burns are unavoidable hazard, especially in the kitchen, whether you are cooking, baking or simply heating things up. Minor burns include first degree burns, which are also called superficial burns. Minor burns heal over a time period of a few days to some weeks. The immediate treatment for burns can significantly reduce the damage caused to skin and underlying tissues. Here are some effective natural remedies to treat minor burns and also lowers the chance of scarring or developing an infection. Aloe vera. Aloe vera gel has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties to soothe and heal burn injuries. Take a freshly cut aloe vera leaf and slice it open. Apply the whitish green gel directly on the burn. Let it soak into the skin. Repeat 1 to 2 days and cover with a piece of sterile gauze to see the desired results. Honey. Honey is used to disinfect wounds and speed up the healing process. Pour 2 tablespoons of honey into a small bowl. Add 10 to 12 drops of lavender oil. Stir the honey and lavender oil together to mix them thoroughly. Wash your hands properly and use your fingers to apply this honey lavender blend on the affected area. Dress the injury using a piece of sterile gauze. Reapply 2 or 3 times daily for 1 to 2 days to heal the burns completely. Boiled potato peels. Boiled potato peels have been used as a burn dressing since the 19th century. Clean the burns thoroughly with cold running water. Boil a potato, making sure the peel is free of any dirt. Peel the skin gently and keep it aside to cool down. Once it reaches the room temperature, apply it to the affected area. You may leave it open or cover it with a loose dressing. Do this as soon as possible to prevent blistering and pain. Repeat as required till the inflamed skin and pain go down. You will find complete relief within 1 to 2 days of regular application. Toothpaste. Toothpaste has a cooling effect on the superficial or minor burns and can be applied for instant relief from the stinging sensation or pain. Clean the burnt area with water and squeeze out a small amount of toothpaste on your skin. Gently spread it all over the affected area for instant relief from pain. Let it dry and then peel it off. Gently clean the burn. Apply once or twice for immediate relief from pain or irritation. Yellow mustard. The yellow mustard can also be used to treat minor burns. Clean the burn with cold running water. Take some yellow mustard and apply it directly on the burn, covering it completely. You will find relief from pain instantly. Egg white. Egg whites have a soothing effect on swollen or inflamed skin and can be applied on the superficial burns for quick pain relief. Gently crack the eggshell and separate the egg white in a bowl. Use a clean finger to completely coat the burn with egg white. Wash off once the pain has subsided. Reapply several times a day for 2 to 3 days to treat minor burns. Baking soda. Baking soda paste helps keep the burnt skin moist and prevents scarring. It also helps to alleviate the pain and redness from a burn injury. Mix around 2 teaspoons of baking soda with water to make a smooth, slightly thick paste. Apply the baking soda paste over the burn. Use plastic wrap to secure the baking soda paste over the burn. Keep the wrap on till the redness and pain go away. Apply the paste 2 to 3 times in a week to get rid of the scar. Tea bags. Black tea contains tannic acid that has astringent properties which enable it to draw out the heat from the burn wound. Dip 2 black tea bags in 1 cup of hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Remove the tea bags and let the tea cool down for about 30 minutes. Dip a cotton ball into the cold black tea and apply on the affected area. Cover with a gauze. Repeat application till the pain and redness go away. Continue applying for 3 to 4 days to treat minor burns and to prevent the formation of blisters. Thanks for watching this video. Like and share this video and subscribe our channel for more interesting videos.